You will earn some rewards points by solving the Crypto Wodl. If you don't know how to use rewards points, watch this video carefully. First, open your Binance app and tap on your profile. Now, click on the Rewards Hub icon, and then tap on the Rewards Shop button. You will see the available rewards, and you can claim free USDT using the vouchers. Here, you can check your rewards points. I currently have 0 points because I need to complete this Wodl to receive them. Users with 5 wins will be eligible to receive a share of the 500,000 points. So, don't forget to complete today's Binance word of the day. Thanks for watching the video.